Imagine you search on Google for best running shoes or best laptop for students. In just a fraction of a second, Google shows millions of results, but most people only click on the first few links on the first page. Very few users ever go to the second page. This is where search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, becomes extremely important. SEO is the process of improving a website so that it appears higher in search engine results when people search for information, products, or services. Search engines like Google, Bing, and Baidu use complex algorithms to decide which websites should appear at the top of search results. These algorithms analyze hundreds of factors, but the goal is simple: show users the most relevant and trustworthy information. Businesses therefore optimize their websites so that search engines understand their content and consider it valuable for users searching for related topics. One of the main components of SEO is on-page optimization. This includes improving elements within the website itself, such as page titles, headings, keywords, and content structure. When a website clearly explains its topic and provides useful information, search engines can better match it with user queries. For example, if someone searches for digital marketing strategies, a well-optimized article that directly addresses that topic is more likely to appear higher in results. Another important element is technical SEO, which focuses on how well a website functions from a technical perspective. Factors such as website speed, mobile compatibility, secure connections, and clean site structure help search engines crawl and index pages efficiently. Search engines prefer websites that load quickly and provide a smooth user experience. SEO also relies heavily on backlinks, which are links from other websites pointing to your content. When reputable websites link to a page, search engines interpret it as a signal of credibility and authority. This is why companies often focus on creating high-quality content that other sites want to reference or share. A well-known example of successful SEO is HubSpot, which built a massive audience by publishing educational articles about marketing, sales, and business. By consistently creating valuable content optimized for search queries, HubSpot attracts millions of visitors through organic search traffic. In China, search engines like Baidu dominate the digital landscape, and companies optimize their websites specifically for Baidu's algorithms. Although the platforms may differ, the fundamental idea remains the same: provide valuable, relevant information that answers the user's search intent. SEO is powerful because it connects businesses with people who are already looking for solutions. Instead of interrupting customers with advertisements, companies appear exactly when users are actively searching for information. This is the Learning Studio, and in the next episode, we will explore another important digital marketing strategy: pay-per-click advertising, where companies pay for visibility in search results and online platforms.